So in traditional exome sequencing, post-hybridization, there are steps that include binding the hybridized material to beads, specifically washing those beads under temperature-controlled conditions, and then finally PCR amplifying the library off of the beads, followed by library control, and then loading the sequencer. What the Trinity program has done is eliminated those steps. Now we perform the same pooled hybridization with all of the bait material that the field has become accustomed to using, but instead of going to a bead binding step, instead of going to a wash step, you take that post-hybridization material and load the sequencing flow cell, and then the sequencer takes care of the rest of the steps in the sequencing process with no material change to sequencing runtime. We're introducing a rapid hybridization protocol that allows the hybridization step to be done in as short as 1 hour, while also retaining the convenience of laboratories that may want to perform the hybridization overnight. And those protocols can be run interchangeably with the same sequencing cartridges.